Meet Dave, simple man, simple dream. All he wanted was a midnight snack. But every night, like clockwork, he opened the fridge and found the same tragic combo: half a lemon, one lonely olive, and a mysterious jar labeled 2009. One fateful night, Dave snapped. He stared deep into the fridge's cold soul. And he said, "You're the most useless appliance in this house." That's when things got personal, because what Dave didn't know was that this wasn't just any fridge. This was a smart fridge with Wi-Fi and feelings. At 3:17 a.m., the blender turned on by itself. The microwave started screaming hot every 10 seconds. And worst of all, the fridge changed the Wi-Fi password Dave begged. He proposed. He even left a sticky note that said, "Sorry, fridge." And from that day on, he never insulted another appliance again, except maybe the toaster.